In this video, we'll show you how to change the sway bar end links on your Dodge Ram 1500. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Dodge Ram 1500 safely. The end link connects to the sway bar to the lower control arms to keep the wheels firmly on the ground at all times. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Using an 18mm wrench, unscrew the nut from the lower ball joint. Use a 17mm wrench to keep the ball joint from rotating. Repeat the operation on the upper ball joint. Finish unscrewing the nut. Remove the washer and bushing. If you only have lifted one side of the vehicle to carry out this operation, you need to slightly raise the lower control arm using a jack in order to compensate for the tension exerted by the sway bar on the end link. You can now remove the link. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using a wire brush, clean the area where the new sway bar end link will be fitted. Then apply silicone grease to the parts that will be in contact with the end link bushings. You can order the sway bar end link used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the new link and unscrew the nuts supplied with it. Install the bushing and washer. Install it in the lower control arm, then in the sway bar. Install the upper bushing and washer. You can then screw the nut back in using a ratchet. Screw the nut of the lower ball joint of the sway bar end link back on. Block the rotation with an Allen key. Tighten the nuts with a torque wrench. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your truck back on the ground before properly fixing the wheels in place. Operation complete.